Morning students, Department of Technical Education, Telangana. IP Narasimha, Senior Lecturer in Mechanical Engineering, Jawaharlal Nehru Government Polytechnic, Ramantapur, Hyderabad. Third semester. Subject Solid Mechanics. Subject code 18M302C. Topic torsion of shaft. Subtopic problems on torsion of shaft. Recap. Shaft is an important machine element and is used for power transmission. We have already studied. They may be made either in solid or hollow sections. Twisting or turning effect of a force is called torque. That is the torque equation. T by J is equal to Fs by R is equal to G theta by L. Main objectives. On completion of this period, you would be able to solve the problems on torsion of shaft. Problem. Solid shaft of 25 mm diameter transmit 70 kilowatts at 100 rpm. Find A. Torque, B. Maximum shear stress, C. Angle of twist over a length of 600 mm and shear stress at a radius of 30 mm. Assume C is equal to 0.8 into 10 to the power of 5 Newton per mm square. Solution. Given data, diameter diameter of shaft D is equal to 25 mm, power P is equal to 70 into 10 to the power of 3 watts, speed N is equal to 100 rpm. We know that P is equal to 2 pi nt by 60. Torque T is equal to 60p by 2 phi n, that is equal to 60 into 70 into 10 to the power of 3 by 2 pi into 100, that is the 6684.5 Newton meter. That is 6684.5 into 10 to the power of 3 Newton mm. The torque T is equal to 5 by 16 Fs into D cube. maximum stress Fs is equal to 16T by 5 d cube, that is 16 into 6684.5 into 10 cube by 5 into 25 cube, that is equal to 80.7 Newton per mm square. We know that is the T by J is equal to C theta by L. Angle of twist theta is equal to TL by Cj. J is equal to polar moment of inertia, that is equal to pi d to the power of 4 by 32. 5 into 75 to the power of 4 by 32. So that is the J is equal to 31 lakhs 6,031 311.1 mm to the power of 4. That is the J is equal to, that is the polar moment of inertia. Next, that is the angle of twist. Theta is equal to 6684.5 into 10 cube into 600 by 0.8 into 10 power 5 into theta, angle of twist theta is equal to 6684.5 into 103 into 600 by 0.8 into 105 into 31 lakhs 600 311.1, that is equal to 0.016 radians. So that is equal to 0.016 into 180 by 5. So that is equal to 0.925 degrees. Shear stress at radius R1 is equal to 30 mm. So that is equal to Q by R. R1 is equal to Fs by R. Shear stress at radius 30 mm, that is the Q is equal to 80.7 into 30 by 37.5, that is equal to 64.56 Newton per mm square. Another problem is solid circular shaft of 220 mm diameter is to be replaced by a hollow shaft. The ratio of external diameter to internal diameter being 2:1. Find the size of hollow shaft. If the maximum shear stress is to be same as for the solid shaft, what percentage economy in weight will this change brings? Solution: the given data, the torque 5 by 16 into Fs1 into d cube for hollow shaft, torque is equal to 5 into d to the power of 4 minus small d to the power of 4 by 16d into Fs2. Fs1 and Fs2 are the maximum shear stresses in solid shaft and in hollow shaft respectively. Equating the equations 1 and 2, Fs1 5 ds cube by 16 is equal to Fs2 5 d to the power of 4 minus d small d to the power of 4 by 16 capital D. That is equal to ds cube is equal to d to the power of 4 minus small d to the power of 4 by capital D. That is the since Fs1 is equal to Fs2. ds cube is equal to d cube minus 0.5 d to the power of 4 by d, that is equal to d is equal to 112.4 mm. Capital D is equal to. Assuming density and length of the shaft are same, percentage saving in weight, that is equal to Ws minus Wh by H into 100. Percentage of saving in weight, the As minus Ah by As into 100. So that is equal to percentage of saving is equal to 21.7%. Another problem, a steel rod 2.4 meters long and 1500 mm diameter is used as long wrench to unscrew a plug at the bottom of a pool of water. If it requires 60 Newton meter of torque to loose the plug, compute the angle of twist of the rod. Take capital G is equal to 0.8 into 10 power 5 Newton per mm square. Solution, given the length of the shaft is given, that is equal to L is equal to 2400 mm, diameter of shaft that is D is equal to 15 mm, G is equal to modulus rigidity 0.8 into 10 to the power of 5 Newton per mm square. Torque 60 Newton meter, that is a 60 into 10 cube Newton mm. We know that T by J is equal to G theta by L. J is equal to 5 by 32 into D to the power of 4. Theta is equal to TL by GJ. Theta is equal to 60 into 10 cube into 2400 into 32 by 0.8 into 10 to the power of 5 into 5 into 15 to the power of 4. That is equal to 0.362 radians. Another problem, a solid steel shaft 100 mm diameter transmit 75 kilowatts at 50 rpm. Calculate A. Torque on the shaft, B. Maximum shear stress induced, C. The angle of twist in a length of 600 mm, D. Shear stress at a radius of 30 mm. Take G is equal to 0.8 into 10 to the power of 5 Newton per mm square. Solution, given that the diameter of the shaft 100 mm, power is equal to 75 into 10 to the power of 3 watts. Modulus of rigidity, that is the 0.8 into 10 to the power of 5 Newton per mm square. Speed n is equal to 150 rpm. So that is the power is equal to P is equal to 2 pi into n into t by 60. T is equal to 60 into P by 2 pi n. 60 into P is the 75 into 10 cube by 2 pi into 150. That is equal to 4774.6 Newton meter. 4774.6 into 10 to the power of 3 Newton mm. Torque T is equal to pi by 16 into d cube into Fs. That is Fs is equal to 16 t by 5 d cube. So that is equal to 16 into 4774.6 into 10 power 3 by pi into 100 cube, that is equal to 24.32 Newton per mm square. And theta is equal to TL by Gj, that is L is equal to 600 given. So theta is equal to, that is the angle of twist is equal to, that is the 4774.6 into 10 cube into 600 into 32 by 0.8 into 10 to the power of 5 into 5 into 10 to the power of 4. So that is equal to 3.65 into 10 to the power of 3 radians. So that is the 3.65 into 10 to the power of minus 3 into 180 by 5, that is equal to 0.2089 degrees. Another shear stress at radius of 30 mm, that is the Q by R1 is equal to Fs by R, that is since 50 that is R1 is equal to 30 Q is equal to 24.32 into 10 to the, into 30 by 50, that is equal to Q is equal to 14.59 Newton per mm to Newton per mm to the power of 2. That is small q is equal to 14.59 Newton per mm square. Another problem is hollow shaft with the external diameter 165 mm and internal diameter 100 mm is used to transmit power. While transmitting power, it is found that the angle of twist is 1 degree over a length of 2.5 meters. Find A. Power transmitted at 120 rpm. B. The maximum shear stress endured. Take G is equal to 0.8 into 10 to the power of 5 Newton per mm square. Given data, that is the D is equal to 165 mm and small capital D is equal to 165 mm, small d is equal to 100 mm, G is equal to 0.8 into 10 to the power of 5 Newton per mm square, N is equal to 120 rpm, L is equal to 2500 mm. Theta is equal to 1 degree, that is 5 by 180 radius. We know that T by J is equal to G theta by L. That is the J is equal to 5 by 32 d to the power of capital D to the power of 4 minus small d to the power of 4. So we can calculate that is a T that is equal to 35,157.76 Newton per Newton meter. 35,157.76 Newton meter. P is equal to 2 pi nt by 60, that is equal to 2 pi into 120 into 35,157.75 by 60, that is equal to 441 kilowatts. That is the T is equal to, torque is equal to. Another Fs is equal to 5 by 16 into Fs into d to the power of 4 minus small d to the power of 4 by d. That is equal to Fs is equal to 46 Newton per mm square. Another problem. Determine the diameter of solid shaft to transmit 450 kilowatts of power at 100 rpm. The maximum torque is 15% greater than the mean torque. The hollow shear stress should not exceed 65 Newton per mm square and the angle of twist is in 3 meters should not exceed 1 degree. Take G is equal to 0.8 into 10 to the power 5 Newton per mm square. Solution. Given data, that is the P power is equal to 450 into 10 cube watts, N is equal to 100 rpm, G is equal to 0.8 into 10 to the power 5 Newton per mm square, T maximum is equal to 1.15 T mean, Fs is equal to 65 Newton per mm square, theta is equal to 1 degree, length is equal to 3000 mm, the power is equal to 2 pi nt by 60, another T mean is equal to 60p by 2 pi n, so that is equal to 60 into 450 into 10 cube by 2 pi into 100, that is equal to 42,971.83 Newton meter. T maxima is equal to 1.15 into 42,97,183.5, that is equal to T maxima is equal to 49,417,610.3 Newton meter. And D cube, that is the T maxima is equal to T maximum is equal to 1.15 into 42971835 and T maximum is equal to 5 by 16 into Fs into d cube, that is the d is equal to 157 mm. From torque equation, capital T is equal to G theta into J by L. That is the D is equal to 181.34 mm. To satisfy both the condition, the diameter should be maximum of two values. Add up to D is equal to 181.35 mm. Next problem. A solid circular shaft is to transmit 3000 kilowatts at 120 rpm. Find the diameter of the shaft. If stress is not exceed 75 Newton per mm square, what percentage saving in weight would be obtained if the shaft was replaced by hollow one whose internal diameter 2 by 3 of the external diameter, the length, material and maximum shear stress being the same? Given data, power is equal to 300 into 10 to the power of 3 watts. Speed n is equal to 120 rpm. Small d is equal to 2 by 3 into capital D. Fs is equal to 75 Newton per mm square. Power is equal to 2 pi nt by 60. T is equal to 60 p by 2 pi n. So that is 60 into 300 into 10 cube by 2 pi into 120. So 2373.241 Newton meter. Torque is equal to, so that is that T is equal to 2387.3241 Newton mm. For solid shaft, T is equal to pi by 16 into Fs into ds cube. That is the T is equal to capital T is equal to torque is equal to 5 by 16 into ds cube into Fs. So that is the ds cube is equal to 117.5 mm. For a hollow shaft, T is equal to 5 by 16 into Fs into capital D cube into 1 minus k to the power of 4. K is equal to 5 by 16 into Fs into capital D to the power of 4 minus small d to the power of 4 by capital D. Small d by capital D is equal to 2 by 3. So that is equal to 66 point, that is equal to 0.66. torque T is equal to pi by 16 into 75 to the power of 3 into 1 minus 0.66 to the power of 4. So that is equal to torque we can substitute here and we can find out capital D. D is equal to 126.4 mm. Small d is equal to 2 by 3 into 126.4. So 84.27 mm. That is the small d. Capital D, internal diameter will be 84.27 mm. External diameter 126.4 mm. For a hollow cylinder, capital D is equal to 126.4 mm. Hollow cylinder, capital D, external diameter is 126.4 mm. Internal diameter is 84.27 mm. The percentage of saving so that is the A1 A2 minus A1 by A1 or that is the A's by A1 into A's into 100. There is a 5 by 4 into ds square minus 5 by 4 into capital D to the power of 2 minus small d to the power of 2 by 5 by 4 into ds square into 100. That is equal to 35.7%. Problem. A ship propeller shaft is to transmit 5 megawatts at 2 revolutions per second. The shaft permissible stress is limited to 60 Newton per mm square and the maximum torque being 1.3 times the mean torque. Determine number 1 required diameter if solid shaft is used. Number 2 the internal and external diameter of hollow shaft if their ratio is 3:4. Given data, that is the P is equal to 5 into 10 power 6 watts, N is equal to 2 RPS, Fs is equal to 16 Newton per mm square, T maxima is equal to 1.3, T mean. So T is equal to P by 2 pi N, that is equal to 5 into 10 to the power of 6 by 2 pi into 2 is equal to 3,37,887.4 Newton meter. T maxima is equal to 1.3 into 3,97,887.4. So that is equal to T maxima is equal to 5,17,253.6 into 10 to the power of 3 Newton mm. T maxima is equal to 5 by 16 into Fs into ds cube. That is the ds cube is equal to T maxima into 16 by 5 into Fs. So we can substitute, we can get that is the diameter of solid shaft ds is 353.353 mm. For hollow shaft, small d by capital D is equal to 3 by 4, small d is equal to 0.75 capital D. T maxima is equal to 5 into capital D to the power of 4 minus small d to the power of 4 by 16 d into Fs. T maxima is equal to 5 into d to the capital D to the power of 4 minus 0.75 capital D to the power of 4 by 16 d into Fs. So we can substitute the value, we can calculate capital D is equal to 400.5 mm, small d is equal to 3 by 4 into 400.5. So that is equal to D is equal to 300.4 mm. Recap. The important formula are T by J is equal to Fs by R is equal to G theta by L. P is equal to 2 pi nt by 60. Capital D is equal to 5 by 16 into Fs into d to the power of 3. Capital T is equal to 5 by 16 into Fs into ds cube for solid shaft. Capital T is equal to torque is equal to 5 by 16 into Fs into capital D to the power of 3 into 1 minus k to the power of 4 for hollow shaft. T is equal to 5 by 16 into Fs into capital D to the power of 4 minus small d to the power of 4 by capital D to the power of 4. Problem. It is specified that the angle of twist of shaft is not to exceed 1 degree over a length of 20 times the diameter. Find the maximum power that can be transmitted by the shaft. When rotating at 240 rpm, take diameter of shaft as 100 mm and G is equal to 0.8 into 10 to the power of 5 Newton per mm square. Solution. The given data, the angle of twist is given 1 degree and length is equal to 20 times of d, small d. D is equal to 200 mm, n is equal to 240 rpm, capital G modulus of rigidity 0.8 into 10 to the power of 5 Newton per mm square. Torque T is equal to 5 by 16 into d to the power of q into Fs. 5 by 16 into d 100 to the power of 3 into Fs. 5 by 16 into 100 cube into 35. So that is equal to 6872.234 Newton meter. Fs by R is equal to G theta by L. Fs by 50 is equal to 0.8 into 10 to the power 5 into 5 by 180 by 200, that is Fs is equal to 35 Newton per mm square. Power is equal to 2 pi nt by 60, that is equal to 2 pi into 240 into 6872.234 by 60, that is equal to 1,72,718 watts, that is equal to 172.718 kilowatts. Problems. Find the diameter of solid circular shaft required to transmit 750 kilowatts at 250 rpm. It is specified that the maximum shear stress must not exceed 40 Newton per mm square and that the angle of twist must not exceed 1 degree in a length of 20 times the diameter. Take G is equal to 0.82 into 10 to the power 5 Newton per mm square. Solution. The given data: power is equal to 750 kilowatts, that is equal to 750 into 10 cube watts. Capital G, modulus of rigidity, G is equal to 0.82 into 10 to the power 5 Newton per mm square. N is equal to 250 rpm. Fs is equal to 40 Newton per mm square. Angle of twist theta is equal to 1 degree. Length L is equal to 20 small d. That is considering the shear stress. T is equal to 5 by 16 into Fs into d cube. P is equal to 2 pi nt by 60. Capital T is equal to Fs into 5d cube by 16. So 60 into P by 2 pi into N, 60 into 750 into 10 cube by 2 pi into 250. So that is equal to 28,647.889 Newton meter. That is equal to 28,647.889 into 10 cube Newton mm. So that is equal to 28,647.889 into 10 cube is equal to 40 into 5 d cube by 16. That is the d cube is equal to 28,647.889 into 10 cube into 16 by 45. D is equal to 154 mm. Considering the angle of twist, that is equal to T by J is equal to G theta by L. T by 5 by 32 into d to the power 4, that is equal to G theta by L. So that is the D is equal to 159.8, that is equal to 160 mm. To satisfy both the conditions, the diameter should be maximum of two values is adopted. D is equal to 160 mm. Another problem. A solid steel shaft 2 meters long has a diameter of 60 mm and rotates at 3.5 rpms. Determine the torque, the power transmitted, and the angle of twist when a maximum shear stress in the shaft is 70 Newton per mm square. Take G is equal to 0.82 into 10 to the power of 5 Newton per mm square. Solution: given data, L is equal to 2 meters, diameter 60 mm, capital N 3.5 rps, Fs is equal to 17 Newton per mm square, G is equal to 0.8 into 10 to the power of 9 Newton per meter square, that is equal to 0.8 into 10 to the power of 3 Newton per mm square. J is equal to 5 by 32 into d to the power of 4. So 5 by 32 into d to the 60 to the power of 4. So that is equal to R is equal to 30 mm. Another T by J is equal to Fs by R. T by, so that is the 1272345 is equal to 70 by 30. So that is the T is equal to 2968 Newton meter. P is equal to 2 pi nt by 60. That is equal to P is equal to 2 pi nt. So 2 pi into 3.5 into 2968, that is equal to 65.27 kilowatts. Fs by R is equal to G theta by L. Theta is equal to Fs into L by G R. So that is equal to 70 into 2000 by 80 into 10 to the power of 3 into 30. That is equal to 3.34 degrees. Problem: a hollow shaft is required to transmit 2.64 megawatts when running at 120 revolution per minute. Find the suitable diameter if the internal diameter is to be 0.8 of the external diameter and the maximum permissible shear stress is 52 megapascal. What will be the shear stress at the inner surface? Solution: given data, the power is equal to 2.64 into 10 to the power of 6 watts. Speed is equal to 120 rpm. D is equal to 0.5 d. Fs is equal to 52 megapascals. 52 into 10 to the power of 6 by 10 to the power of 6 Newton per mm square, that is equal to 52 Newton per mm square. Modulus of rigidity G is equal to 0.80 into 10 to the power of 9 Newton per meter square, that is equal to 0.80 into 10 cube Newton per mm square. T is equal to 60p by 2 pi n. So that is equal to, that is the 2,10,085 into 10 to the power of 3 Newton mm. That is the torque. T is equal to 5 into capital D to the power of 4 minus small d to the power of 4 by 16d into Fs. So that is equal to capital D is equal to 326.6 meters. Small d is equal to 261.3 meters. We know that Q by R1 is equal to Fs by R. So where Q is the shear stress at the inner surface, R is the small r is the 163.32 mm, R1 is the 130.66 mm, Fs is the maximum shear stress at small r, that is the Q by Fs by R into R1. So that is equal to Q is equal to 41.6 Newton per mm square. So that is equal to, that is the Q is equal to 41.6 megapascals. Summary: already we studied the problems on torsion of shaft and shear stress at radius R1 is equal to Q by R1 is equal to Fs by R. Torque T is equal to 60 P by 2 pi n, where n is in RPM. Angle of twist theta is equal to T into L by Gj. So the torsion equation T by J is equal to Fs by R, that is equal to G theta by L. We solve the problems in torsion of shaft. Okay, thank you.